Got your squirrel right there. Got most of the hair off of him. Can't go wrong with Slap Your Mama. Use that stuff on everything. Coat that boy up real nice. Don't cut him up too much though. That Slap Your Mama kind of spicy. That's about enough kick for me. Add a little bit of pepper to him. Got the whole bottom sink on this dude. Look at that. That's looking delicious right there. Get you a Ziploc, throw your squirrel in there. Just to set it off, you're gonna add a little bit of liquid smoke in there. Can't go wrong with that. Look at that meat right there, man. Look at that coloration. It's gonna be tasty. I heard of some jerk chicken, but you ain't never heard of no jerk squirrel or no barbecue squirrel. Just wait 1 second. Get your grill all cleaned up. Get it prepared. Turn that propane on. There you go, just like that. Let that grill get hot. Let it get to about 300-400. It don't take long for this grill to get hot. I might need to turn it down a little bit. After you're done massaging and playing with your meat, go ahead, pop that boy down. Spread them out real good. Oh yeah, boy needs to be flipped. Looking delicious though. Need to grab me some tongs before I burn myself. Man, check that out right there. Look at the coloration on that boy. Ain't even done yet. You gotta throw them in some foil and wrap them. Get you that foil right there. Whatever juices you're using, let that dude marinate in. Go ahead, drip it back down on buddy. All that goodness right there. Go ahead, seal them up in that foil. Close it up, give them about 10 minutes, it'll be done. You can't tell me that don't look good right there. Let's start right here on that back strap. Pull all the way off. Oh boy. I'm telling y'all. I think I'm playing with y'all, but damn squirrels, they hit. Oh boy. I'm telling y'all. I think I'm playing with y'all, but damn squirrels, they hit. Man. Let me tell you. Really, just a back strap and some legs off of them. Ain't much to them. You can pick the meat off the ribs and stuff, but I'm not doing all that. But that part right there, I'll give it to the dog. I don't eat that rib meat. It'd be tough sometimes. Let's see what it's tasting like though. Man, you better stop begging me for damn food. I gave you a piece already. The squirrel's got them legs on them, man. That's better than chicken wings right there. All them squirrels do all day is run and jump. It ain't like that damn grocery store meat. And chickens just sit in the damn barn. They don't get no room of their own. Y'all need to get y'all some of this. I'm telling you, this is stuff. Word of advice though. If you're finna eat a squirrel, that's the front legs, the front shoulder. But if you're gonna eat one, make sure you get about 2 or 3 of them things. This is just a little snack for me. Not even enough to give you a full belly. Some spots you gotta pick the meat off the bone. That's about all there is left of this squirrel, plus a little rib cage. Ain't enough meat for me to mess with. You can get you a raccoon though. That's some good eating.